Hello everyone, so today we're doing a little mini unboxing for some of the essential items, I use that term loosely, that I've purchased so far in August. Want to see what I got? I know you do. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb and on here you're going to find a lot of great things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style, you're going to find right here. So if that's something you're into, I'm assuming it is because you're here already, welcome. Hit subscribe, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, say hi down in the comments, find me on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer. I post new content every Wednesday and Sunday morning at 10 a.m. Central Time. Whew. That was a mouthful. All right, guys, are you ready to dive in? You're thinking to yourselves like, Caleb, we just watched your video on Sunday, you're saving up for a Birkin. What is all this nonsense? And you're not wrong. Also, safe space, so I do not need your judgment. I'm just kidding. So these are actually things that I kind of needed, loosely. We'll leave it at that. So I picked up a few things, nothing really like big or wowy, like showy enough to like do their own video. So you're getting a compilation, you're getting a best of August purchases. You're welcome. That's all I have to say on that. So we're gonna start at the top. We're gonna work through the month chronologically or however I can remember it. And that is going to start out at the Gucci outlet. So you're like, Caleb, you know, I hear you. I'm trying to save up for a Birkin. We're almost there, by the way. I'm super excited. This was a necessary purchase. I'm just gonna say that. So we found ourselves the outlet because A, Zay needed to stop by Theory and try on a suit size so we could order a suit for the wedding. We're getting married on Saturday, super excited. And I needed a belt. A brown belt specifically. Now you're thinking to yourself like, Caleb, like how do you not have a brown belt? I'm like, I do. I have tons of belts. I have the Gucci signature. I have blue belts, black belts, crazy belts from Ermenegildo Zegna, just not anything subtle and brown. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go to the Gucci outlet where I buy a lot of my belts anyway because they get like really good full price delete sometimes. Maybe I'll find something cool that'll work with my outfit. My outfit's gonna be kind of like a linen-y, tan, khaki vibe. Like you're gonna see it in the wedding vlog, so be prepared. I'm serving the looks. I'm serving the fashion this weekend. I'm so freaking excited. I have my whole wardrobe planned out, even down to what I'm wearing in the car on the way in. I go try and find a belt. I was gonna settle on a brown belt. It was like 350, maybe 400, which I know sounds terrible. We're getting there. We're gonna get to the end of the story. And I thought they were really cheap. Hated the quality. I was just like, ugh, I can do better. And worst comes to worst, I can just order one from Coach or Cole Haan. Like they've got decent belts. I don't need to be label head to toe. I mean, it would be nice. It'd be much appreciated. But anyway, I'm rambling. What did I get? These were kind of a necessity, and I am so excited to, well, you can already see them, share it with you. I bought the Spring Summer Peony Fantasy Gucci motif shorts. These are 100% a vibe. The original retail for these, I think they were marked at $1,200 originally, and I scored them because we all know I love a deal. If I could ever find the tag. I apparently paid $210 before tax. Not bad. And guess who my celebrity twin is if I wear these out and about? Post Malone. That's kind of cool, right? He has the full set though. He has the shirt too. In 2020, would I have liked to have the full set? Absolutely. In 2022, I'm a little bit over it. I'm sure he's had his much longer than mine. I doubt he copped his at the outlet like I did. Fabulous shorts, beautiful material. They are silk, 100% silk. And I love the gold embroidery. They're gorgeous shorts. I have a really fun frilly lace shirt that I think these would work really well with like some platform shoes and like some high knee socks, like kind of cool, maybe. I'm working it out in my head. I haven't worn them out yet. Obviously the tag's still on them, duh, but I'm getting there. I'm working on it. So that is the first item in our little shopping haul. I mean, even just draped, that fabric is stunning. Maybe I should find the shirt and turn it into a throw pillow. Is that an idea? Maybe. Next up is my Gucci.com order. So I was able to find a belt that I liked and I ordered it through Gucci.com. It was about the price I was willing to pay. I think it was like $450 or something like that before tax. It's stunning. So it's a really good color and I have Gucci loafers too that this would like look fire with. So it all worked out in the end. And as you all know, when you order from Gucci.com, you get this really cute canvas tote, which might fit my laptop for work, maybe in a roundabout way. So maybe I'll be able to use that on my way to work, or maybe I could throw like my snacks in there or something, I don't know. We love a reusable tote around here, especially when it's free, like hello, duh. And I also got these super cute stickers for the Gucci Flora fragrance. These are fun. Will I actually put them on anything? I mean, probably not, but it's pretty cool. It's a vibe. And then of course you get I think this is my receipt, maybe? Thank you for shopping Gucci.com. Yes, I think this is my receipt. I paid in total Oh no, it's the order summary. Psych. I don't remember what I paid. I paid something though. Let's get into this green box. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I am not the biggest fan of the Gucci packaging these days. Don't hate me. I just miss like the Tom Ford, Frida Giannini era. It was a vibe. So you get this magnetic closure on the box and this paper, which it's fine, does the job. But the belt, that is what we're here for. So tucked here in this dust bag, we have the world's most beautiful belt. So what I like most about this belt is A, it's brown. It's gonna look really good with my suit and the shoes that I plan to wear. And I love the shade. It's a classic Gucci leather, and I like that they used a gold buckle, and I absolutely love the bamboo detail on the front there. I think it's gonna add another element to my outfit. It'll give it some warmth. And I like that, you know, overall, the design says Gucci. It's lightly stamped Gucci at the bottom, but it doesn't scream Gucci. Like it doesn't have like a big Marmont buckle or one of the other options they have on their website right now. Like it's Gucci without screaming Gucci, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this belt. It's the right size and it's a much better quality than what they were offering at the outlet, which it's a pretty low bar. All right guys, so that is my new Gucci belt. I love this belt. I am so excited for my outfit, you guys. I can't stop talking about it. I have been planning, like I said, all my looks are planned. I'm ready to go, and this belt is going to just really complete the look. So next up, I have a few purchases from Tom of Finland. And if you know, you know. If not, Google, but not on your work computer. Trust me. All right, so when it comes to the Tom of Finland store, I picked up 2 items. So the first item, I'm not actually gonna roll out of here. It is in there, I promise. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna roll it out because it is from 1984, it's vintage. And I'm just kind of wanna get it into a frame and it needs censored. Like I said, if you know Tom of Finland, you know what's probably in here. It's kind of a vibe. We have a lot of Tom of Finland art in our bedroom, which one day I'll do an apartment tour and show everything to you guys because we have a lot of really cool artwork. But here's an image. These 2 fellas probably just met and they're having a great time. Anyway, so this is from a gallery opening or showing in 1984. So this thing is literally older than I am. It's gonna look so cool. I'm just gonna do a simple black frame, prop it up on one of the dressers in our bedroom, and it's a vibe, 100%. They do have a couple more pieces from this gallery showing that I kind of want to pick up because you know me, I have no chill and I need to have complete sets of everything. So maybe I'll buy more. Who knows? They're really well priced. I'm gonna link the Tom of Finland store down below. Again, 18 and over, and don't do it on your work computer, please. And don't cancel me. It is what it is. I absolutely love any ready-to-wear or clothing with like Tom of Finland art on it. J.W. Anderson, his Pride collection with the Tom of Finland artwork, amazing. Like I'm low-key waiting for some sale items so that way I can pick something up. Like the bags were good, the clothes were on fire, like it was on point. A lot of gorgeous items. This kind of gave the same vibe without that price point. So this is a sweatshirt with a Tom of Finland sailor there on the front. And I just love the material they used. It's a really light cotton. And this is just gonna be perfect for like those like fall days that are just like a little crisp. Like not cold, it's not hot out, like there's a crisp in the air, you know. Fall weather, sweater weather, we're here for it. And what I really liked about this too is that it has a zipper detail here on the shoulder. So if I wanted to wear like a really cool collared shirt underneath, which might be kind of a vibe, I can leave it open and just like let the front drape down and like really show off the detail of the shirt. Could kind of be cool. Something I'm gonna play with here, but I don't have a lot of white in my ready-to-wear clothing options. So I just thought this was a really good color, and it's just marked Tom of Finland X Leisure Projects on the back. And I cannot wait to wear this guy out. I'm super excited. So next up and last in our little show and tell. Was this video worth clicking on? I hope it was, you guys. I know it's quick, I know it's rambling, I know it's disjointed. We've had homoerotic art, homoerotic clothing, Gucci ready to wear, Gucci accessories, Post Malone, and now Tiffany Company. Could you literally get any more all over the place on a video? Like on this channel, sure, like we've been here before, but this one, this takes the cake. This wins weirdest, most rambly video. You're welcome. Glad you're here. Anyway, so last but not least, this has a funny story to it. I'm not actually gonna show it to you guys. So if you wanna skip over, skip over. But if you wanna hear the funny story, you're gonna wanna stick around. Tiffany Co. I bought this for Zane. Our wedding, which I'm gonna go more into detail here during the wedding vlog. I want to do like a sit down and kind of tell you guys like how we met, a little bit about us as a couple, and this whole wedding thing that we're doing. The wedding was last minute, to say the least. We hadn't really planned on it, and then one day we were just like, oh, hey, let's go get a marriage license. I guess that's just what you do after nearly 16 years, I guess? After 16 years? Almost 16 years. I'm really bad at math. So Zane was like, oh, I think I found you a wedding gift. I'm like, we literally talked about this 2 days ago. We weren't doing wedding gifts, and now he wants to do a wedding gift. Thanks, Zane. I was on Instagram, and I get an Instagram ad from Tiffany Co. I'm like, okay, that's a vibe. Like I could see Zane wearing that. That'd be really cute. And I ordered it. I'm not gonna show you guys because as you know, he edits my videos. This is going up for Wednesday, so he'll probably see this like Monday or Tuesday. And I don't wanna spoil, well, I think the surprise is already spoiled, but I really don't wanna like let the cat out of the bag until this all plays out. I'm pretty sure he ordered me the same thing. So we got to talking. He was like, oh, I bought you this. And he was like, it was X amount of price. And I got you this size. And like, well, that size is very specific. So I kind of narrowed it down that way. I'm like, well, what color's the box? He was, you tell me what color's my box. And I said, oh, it's green. I lied. I made him think it was a Rolex, but I mean, obviously it wouldn't be. I don't think he fell for it. Funny. So we got to talking. He ordered from Tiffany's. I ordered from Tiffany's. We, in a roundabout, playful way, kind of described, you know, like, well, is it chunky? Does it have links? Stones? We pretty much narrowed it down, and I'm 98% certain we bought each other the same item. I think we're going to trade these at dinner Friday night, the night before the wedding. I am going to get such a kick if we basically share the same brain, I guess, at this point. And if we bought each other the same thing from Tiffany's, it's going to be hilarious. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Not yet. We're not spoiling the surprise just yet. He's got to wait until Saturday. Well, Friday night. You can do it, Zane. You can stick it out. What did we learn today? Caleb buys a lot of crap he doesn't really need, I guess. I needed a belt, and here we are. I love what I bought. It's random. It's all over the place. Check out Tom of Finland. Like, his stuff is on point. A lot of you already know this. Love the Gucci shorts. Post Malone, if we're going to be at the same event, call me and we'll plan it out. That way we don't wear the same shorts. Just kidding. I'm probably not going to be at the same place Post Malone would be. Not that cool. And I love my new belt. Like, I've said it 1,000 times already, but my wedding look is fire. We've got the tan suit. Of course, it's not linen because we don't sell linen suits apparently in August. They rip them all off the shelves because God forbid. I'm gonna wear like a monk collar, a smattering of Gucci brooches, my Gucci belt, and the world's most gorgeous shoes. If the weather holds and it's not rainy, a Louis Vuitton étoile clutch. If it's rainy out, Yves Saint Laurent Uptown pouch. Could go either way. It's a vibe, 100%. Now, ask me what I'm wearing to dinner the night before, because that look is fire. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, guys, I've rambled enough. This is a quick Wednesday, what I purchased for August. I'm getting married in a couple days, so there's that. I've got a lot to do. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your week. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all on Sunday. Bye-bye.